So guys, you want to head over to search and type in Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. Once you're on this, we're going to click on Advanced Settings. And then we're going to select Outbound Rule and then click on New Rule. Then you want to select Custom and then click on Next. Then you want to make sure that all programs has also been selected and then click on Next again. Then you want to make sure that your protocol type is on any and then click on Next again. Now once you're on this, you want to select these IP addresses right here and then click on Add. Next, we're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then we're going to run it as administrator and then click on Yes. Once you're on this, we're going to type in ns lookup space, and then you're going to type in the website that you want to block. So in my case, I'm going to be doing Facebook. So I'm going to type in www.facebook.com and then click on enter. So once you type that in, you're going to get the IPv6 and the IPv4. So first, we're going to start the IPv6. So first, you want to just copy this. And then you're going to paste it right here. And then click on OK. And then click on Add again. Go back to CMD. And then you're going to copy this one, the one under it. Control C. And then paste it right here. And then click on OK. And then click on Next. Once you're on this, you want to make sure that block the connection has been selected. And then click on Next. And you want to make sure that domain, private, and public have all been ticked as well. And then click on Next. And then you can just put in any name you want. So I'm just going to put in Facebook. And then click on Finish. And as you can see, if I go to my web browser and I type in www.facebook.com, it's loading. And it can't reach the page.